Hey guys, I have a fun, colorful geometric wall hanging design for you today. Once you get the hang of it, the pattern is very repetitive and not too tricky to complete. The finished piece measures 28 inches wide by 40 inches long. You'll need approximately 288 feet of 5mm natural rope, 84 feet of rainbow Sari silk ribbon, or any of the other specialty ribbons that I sell. You'll want something that's not one continuous color to get the effect that I got here. And then you'll also need 28 feet of 3mm recycled string in each of these colors: navy blue, burnt orange, and peacock. Start by cutting your pieces. Cut 6 pieces of rainbow Sari silk ribbon, each piece is 14 feet long. Cut 2 pieces of navy blue, burnt orange, and peacock string, each piece is 14 feet long. Set those aside for now. Cut 36 pieces of 5mm rope, each piece is 8 feet long. Attach them to your driftwood using a reverse lark's head knot. Grab 1 piece of Sari silk ribbon and using a vertical double half hitch knot, tie a row of knots along your work. Tie each knot around 2 filler cords. Tie your knots up and down your wall hanging to create a wavy line. You want to leave a bit of space in between each vertical double half hitch knot so that you can keep your wall hanging straight and so that the cords don't pull in on the sides. Another thing you could do so that you don't have to pull such a long cord through your work each time is to bundle up the cord like this. Let me show you a couple more times a little closer up. As you can see, I'm starting to create my wavy line traveling down then up. The neat thing about this knot is that it can move up and down your filler cord after you've tied your knots, so if you need to adjust it a bit afterwards, you can do so. You may need to adjust your reverse lark's head knots along your driftwood as you go, as I'm doing here, to keep your line straight and evenly distributed. Next, grab a piece of navy blue string and tie a row of vertical double half hitch knots just underneath the previous row. Let me show you a little closer up. Grab your second piece of navy blue string. We will tie another row of vertical double half hitch knots underneath the previous row, but we will cross 2 cords before tying each knot to create a neat design in between the 2 rows. Grab your second piece of Sari silk ribbon. Tie another row of vertical double half hitch knots underneath the previous row. Here's what it should look like once complete. Repeat this process using the burnt orange string instead of the navy blue string, and then again using the peacock string instead of the navy blue string. Remember to cross your cords every time before tying your knots. Here's what it should look like once you've completed another section with the burnt orange string. Next, I'll show you how to tuck in your ends. Using a tapestry needle, thread the Sari silk through the back of the knots, working up and down as you go, and then cut off the excess. I'll show you again with the navy blue string. Trim the ends how you see fit. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks so much for watching.